Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and download and install Treasure Suite Lite on your phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, go ahead, open up your particular app store. Now type in the Treasure Suite Lite. And there we go, we're gonna find this option right over here. Tap on this option, not forget for the downloading process. Double click Face ID scan, and there we go, the process will start operating. Simply wait till the circle is completed in the blue, and as soon as it's done, tap on open, and there we go, our app is just right over there. I'm gonna go back, and in the home section of my home screen of my phone, I'll find it right over there. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.